Good evening, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing good. Nifty in 5 minutes chart. See, it has opened a huge gap up, but we have seen a very good sell off in first 5 minutes candle, and it has formed a bearish Marubozu candle. And interestingly, we have seen none of the candles in whole day has broken the top of the first 5 minutes candle, nor the lower levels of this candle. And market traded 50 to 60 points range only, and Nifty closed with 38 points positive, whereas Bank Nifty also opened huge positive, and we have seen a very good sell off in first 5 minutes. And interestingly, we have seen the exact level of this support what we have provided in the last analysis video. The same levels 43,874 has met, and it has reversed from this level. You can watch my prior days analysis video. I have given this number has a algo point support in Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty closed 44 points negative. So now let's begin the open interest analysis and we'll see what the big player planned. We'll follow by FII. In options input, they were holding 3.91 lakhs of put buying. Today they have unwinded 62,000 contract. So holding 3.29 lakhs of put buying, and in call they were holding 2.06 lakhs of call buying contract. Now they have added 72,000 contract. So 2.79 lakhs of call buying contract they have. Call versus put almost near, so we can consider this as normal contract, and hedging purpose they have created this contract we can consider. Future index 49% long, 51% short, so they have increased the long, reduced the short by 3 percentage. Stock future percentage 55% long, 45% short, and they have sold for 626 crores in the cash market. So see, FII have no directional view, they just have hedge their positions in F&O, and they are selling in cash market. Client are the retailers input. They were holding 5.86 lakhs of put writing contract. They have unwinded 1.98 lakhs of put writing, made a good profit today. Still holding 3.87 lakhs of put writing contract. And in call, they were holding 22,000 contract of call writing contracts. So they have increased 24,000. Still holding 46,000 contract in call writing. So see, put writing is more than call writing. It means they are very much bullish in options. Future index 50% long, 50% short, and stock future percentage 82% long, 18% short, and they have sold for 349 crores in the cash market. So see, client they don't have any directional view, but they are positive in options. Promoters input, they were holding 1 lakh of put buying contract. Today they have unwinded this and made a fresh put writing contract of 33,000 contract, and in call they were holding 1.83 lakhs of call writing contract. So they have increased 48,000 contracts. So now they have 2.32 of call writing contract. Call writing is more than put writing. It means they have bearish in options. Future index 45% long, 55% short. They have reduced the long, increased the short by 2 percentage. Stock future percentage 63% long, 37% short. And in cash flow they have purchased for 166 crores. So they have hedged their positions in F&O and going long in cash market. DIA have purchased for 1793 crores. So cash flow was 983 crores positive value. Put call ratio Nifty for this week they are at 0.73, and Bank Nifty at zero point 0.7, neutral to positive. For month end Nifty at 1.25 and Bank Nifty at 1.07. So super bullish we can consider Nifty and Bank Nifty for the month end, and for this week they are at neutral range. So let's check the change in by what traders are carry forwarding in Nifty. For this week expiry huge put writing we have seen from 18,500 to 18,600, and call writing unwinding at 18,650 and 18,700. So major resistance will be 18,700 and good support we have at 18,600. And for Bank Nifty, see huge people carry forwarding 44,000 short straddle. So this is acting as support and resistance for this week. Now let's check the price action. Dow in 1 day time frame they are trading positive only by 32 points, whereas Nasdaq 95 points positive. SGX trading flat by 1% down, and India VIX has gone up 1 percentage. They are at 11.24, very much comfortable. So Nifty in 1 day time frame it has given a doji kind of a candle closing today. It means still there is a undecisiveness in the market, so still wait and watch as per the price action. So bank nifty in 1 day time frame, it is consolidating in a small range from few days, so we have to wait for the levels to broke. This could be a good level to break 43,700 on the downside, and on a higher side 44,500. Still, it is wait and watch also as per the price action for Bank Nifty. So, see today's CPI data, the inflation data has been published for Indian economy. So, it was stated 4.35. It was estimated, but it was 4.25 published. It is very good for Indian market, and also the prior month it was 4.70. So, well controlled inflation we are at now. Algo points, Nifty support will be 18,563 and first resistance comes around 18,637. Bank Nifty first support comes around 43,837. First resistance comes around 44,088. So see, as per the open interest analysis, the data is very much neutral only. We don't have huge positive nor huge negative. The big player want the market to keep sideways only, and tomorrow there is a Fin Nifty expiry. So most of the Tuesdays are sideways only. So anyhow, I believe if we get a scalping trade on buy on dip and sell on rise in intraday basis only, no positional trading. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you like my analysis. So please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.